Welcome back to Spell and Math Tutorials. In today's clip, we're given a right triangle where we need to solve for x, and we're going to use that value of x to find this particular angle, BYZ. Before we begin, if you find this tutorial to be helpful, please like, share, and or subscribe. Now let's continue with the problem. So we have this triangle XYZ. It has an altitude that creates a right angle, and then we have two expressions for two of the missing angles. We have to start here with the right angle because we know right angles have a measure of 90 degrees. So we're going to use that to leverage this expression. So to do that, we're going to rewrite as 8x plus 2. And we know that expression should equal 90 degrees. And then we're going to work the simple equation by solving for x. We're going to begin by subtracting 2 from both sides, leaving us with 8x is equal to, well, 90 minus 2 gives us 88. And then to isolate the x, we're going to divide both sides by 8. In doing so, we're left with an x, and then 88 divided by 8 gives us a value of 11 for the x. Now, let's check our work first. So here we know that the x is 11, so let's substitute that back into this original equation, and let's do that check over here. So that's really 8 times 11 plus 2, and we know that should be 90. Well, 8 times 11 is 88. Then we rewrite the plus 2 equals 90, so 88 plus 2 is 90. So here we know that the value of x is correct. Now we need to find the measure of angle BYZ. Well, BYZ is this angle here, and we're going to use this expression 5x minus 3. So we rewrite that as 5x minus 3. We know the value of x is 11, so we're going to substitute that in. So this is really 5 times 11 minus 3. 5 times 11 is 55. Then rewrite the minus 3, and then 55 minus 3 is 52. So we found that the measure of angle BYZ is actually 52 degrees. All right, well, that sums up this tutorial. And again, if you find this helpful, please like, share, and or subscribe. And as always, have a great day.